has been going through air. Jason, you did a great job on that one. You could see sound, you could hear sound, you could feel sound. This instrument is called a theremin. And I'm going to turn it on, and I don't touch it. It puts electricity in the air, and how I move my hands causes it to change. Ready? Turn it on. I lift this hand.
That sounded like
And if I change the frequency over here with this hand, ready?
How does it see
So I
what
can
you're
make it-
doing?
I can make it louder like this. We need a volunteer. Thanks for volunteering to tell stories. Hand down, no sound. Other hand. Yep. Hand on your head. Come, say like a chicken. Hand it down. Lift that up for volume.
I don't have the magic.
Oh, yeah, you do. You have to.
It's not on.
There we go. Can't dig a little bit. Let's give her a round of applause. And Jason, come on up again. Come on. Go around this side, Jason. That hand there, and this hand here. And now lift this hand up.
Like a meowing cat. Make a rap.
Let's give her a round of applause. Good job. I think you might have to. Good job. Take a round. Take a bow. Take a bow. Okay. That is called a theremin. It's kind of cool. And a theremin. And some people are really good at it. Kane, let's take a look at something else.